Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to a long-awaited Chalk Couture video. It's been a little while, but guess what? It's time to decorate my house. So it's time to start playing with my Chalk Couture. So this is going to be one of those don't blink, you'll miss it projects. Seriously, that's how easy this one is, okay? So this board is the square chalkboard, which I think is stunning, and it's big. See how big it is? And this is the mini buffalo plaid, which is going to go here. And I went to the store, you know the one, the big box store, and I bought this wreath that is going to live right here because I've been seeing these online and drooling over them, and I want one. So this is going to be so easy. Now you'll probably notice I still have the little cardboard pieces on my frame. There's a reason for that. I don't want to take a chance of nicking this guy before I get it home, so I'm just leaving that on there. Now something else I think I'm going to do. Now I have a helper in here. I have Amanda with me. She can say hello.
Hello.
Leave it like that. Here's what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to half fuzz and then half fuzz.
Okay.
Don't you think that would be a lot easier?
Mm-hmm.
So I think what I'm going to do is leave this like this and then fuzz this side. So I'm going to fuzz. And don't judge my dirty towels because we use them for everything. They still work. See, I think this will be the easier way to fuzz than trying to lay this whole thing out and taking a chance of wiggling or wrinkling it in some way. So there's that half of it done. And then what I'll do... Matter of fact, you want me to hold this and you fuzz that side?
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so let me get a hold of it good. That's Southern for hold on to it. Get a hold of it. Mm-hmm. All right, and then you can do that other half and we should be okay. There's nothing to getting you a helper for this. This doesn't need fuzzing much. You feel that? You can also tell how I said that didn't need fuzzing. It just didn't even stick to the towel, so it's fine. But it's easy to get a helper for this because all they need to do is hold the edges for you. And this guy's actually pretty easy because he fits the whole frame. So if you get him right at the top or bottom, you should be all set and ready. That feels good. I'm going to go from the middle, kind of press this out. And even though this is one of those don't blink, you'll miss it projects, take your time. You'll be really sad if you do all this work and have to clean this off and start over, which you can do, but you'll be really sad. So get that all stuck down. And I'm using one color, which I'm super excited about. I'm using this bright candy apple red, which is actually the name of it. Yep, candy apple. I'm going to scoop out some globs of it. If you've never used Chalk Couture before, if this is your first time, there actually is a glob in there. If this is your first time to see it being used, Chalk Couture is a product that's a chalk product that goes onto chalkboards and then can be washed off and redone. As a matter of fact, in some videos I have coming up, I guess in the next few weeks, I'm going to be redoing some stuff that's already been in my house for Christmas. That's what I love. I don't have to buy new stuff. I think I got red right there. I did. See if you can wipe that before that goes too bad. It's not the end of the world. I can always cover that up with some white paint if I mess that up. And all I'm going to do here is squeegee down my red while Amanda cleans off my boo-boo up there.
It's still just a little there.
It's all right. I can probably use my mono sand eraser and get it off of there. All right, so look how pretty this red is. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to take my time and squeegee everywhere. If it doesn't come out perfect, I actually don't care because my house is done kind of in rustic Christmas. So if it has errors in it, that's okay. Like antique rustic Christmas would be good for me. All right, so since I've got that top done, I'm going to come back and do the bottom with more paste. So I'm going to bring this paste over and put some at the bottom here and work my way up. Look what I just did. It's a good thing because I just got it all over my nails. I'm telling y'all, I get in a hurry when I do these easy projects and I need to slow down. Look at that. Maymay made a mess. That's what we should call this episode. Oh, it's all in my fingernail. It'll come off. Don't stress. Okay. So let's come back and get it from the bottom here. I haven't chalked in a while. I have to be honest. It's been a while. We've been getting ready for our open house here at work. We've been going through some editing changes. So I've been back at editing a little bit. And so my time got away from me. So this is kind of nice. It's so therapeutic. I've also not done the buffalo check one before either.
I know. I'm surprised it took you this long.
For real, because it's my favorite thing in the world.
I chalked on my aquarium last week on my live, and that I could have sat there for hours listening to that water and chalking on there.
Let me tell y'all real quick. We have a Facebook group that is called Chalk It Live, or Live with the Chalk It. I'll get it right. We'll link it in this video description for you guys. And it's where my team do projects to show you, give you inspiration. And they do them live, and there's a schedule at the top of the Facebook page. So you can watch a live. Our goal is to eventually have a live 24 hours a day. That's what we really want to do. Mm-hmm. So go check that group out. Join it. All right, I got to peel this off because it's going to start drying. This is the fun part. Here we go, the fun part. I love the reveal. Oh, my goodness.
That's gorgeous.
That is so pretty on there. Now, Amanda's going to run this to the sink real quick because it's a lot and get it soaking. And she might, I don't know, you may even clean it right now. That's up to you. But look at that incredible board. Now, here's what I really love about it. I can reuse this over and over and over again in my home decor without having to change it because I can just change my wreath out. So instead of having like a Christmas wreath, I'm going to try to do this without dropping my wreath. This is what that's going to look like in my home for the holidays. I absolutely love it. I just need to let it dry, and then I can put my wreath on it. I'm probably going to just run ribbon to the back of the picture frame to hold this guy on. And I might even change out this bow. This bow came with it, and I may change out that bow to match my home a little better. Don't blink, you miss it. That's our Chalk Couture project for today. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.